Hello. Well, it's been a while, hasn't it? I'm out in the countryside today, just soaking up the last rays of sunshine before autumn kicks in for real. I'm in a field at the moment, as you can see over my shoulder. Let me show you what's growing in this field. I think they're mangel-wurzels, as well I call them. Hold on. There we go. Kind of look like Swedes. I think they're food for cattle and sheep and such. Yeah, so there's a whole... There we go. I won't put it out because obviously the farmer's grown it for animal feed, but yeah, lovely day to be walking amongst this lot. I came up this path here. Continuing on the walk, stumbled across this field of maize. Goes up there. Has anyone seen that film Children of the Corn? Well, this is grown specifically for let's have a look. There we go. Specifically for the animals, animal feed. Not bad. Glorious day. Absolutely baking. He's got a load on. There we go, that's before, and that's after. That field's definitely had a corona cut. That would be good for my allotment. Starts with that and ends with them. Tree full of cooking apples. Look at that one. Got to get my cook on. Look at that for a cooking apple. Lovely. There we go. For any sweet chestnut fans, this is the time of year to start picking them. More videos from the plot to come. Just thought I'd take a break today, get outside and enjoy the last of the sunshine. As I said earlier, before autumn does kick in. Anyway, thank you for joining me. If you have, remember to hit that like button, share, subscribe, but most importantly, please do comment down below. And until the next video, bye for now. Chicken eggs in the bag. From there, money in the honesty box on my way home.